2022 marks the 145th anniversary of the YMCA Owen Sound Grey Bruce, as well as the anniversary of 10 years on 10th Street East for the Health, Fitness, and Aquatic Center in Owen Sound. Through hard work and dedication from the community, we've been able to continue to provide and expand the services and our facilities to what they are now. A lot has changed since the days of old, as outdated facilities are rebuilt and technological advances take us to new heights. But one thing that hasn't changed is our commitment to the community. At the YMCA of Owen Sound Grey Bruce, we work together to build strong kids, strong families, and strong communities. To do this, we've offered opportunities for personal development in many program areas: health, fitness, aquatics and recreation, childcare, community and justice programs, settlement services, housing support, and employment services. The stories of success from the 60s are remarkably similar to those of today. We provide early learning childcare for almost 700 families across Grey and Bruce counties, and we care for over 500 children in our before and after school programs. This summer, we also had 345 children in our childcare summer camps. And after a 2-year closure, we welcomed almost 200 campers to Camp Presqu'île.
I'm Sarah Cowley, the Chief Executive Officer of the YMCA of Owen Sound Grey Bruce. My personal connection, or my Y story as we call it, to the YMCA of Owen Sound Grey Bruce began when our youngest child joined a YMCA early learning childcare center during his preschool years, and my husband and I fell in love with the feeling of community the staff created for the children and families during the day. My professional connection to the Y began several years before, however, as I was working in the community healthcare system and I was able to collaborate with various YMCA staff and teams through our shared work on community committees. Over the years, my awareness of the breadth and impact of the YMCA programs and services left me feeling excited to apply for the role of CEO, and I was so honored to be given the opportunity to lead this caring organization starting in 2021. At the YMCA of Owen Sound Grey Bruce, whether we're caring for children and youth, promoting health and wellness goals, assisting people to gain employment, supporting newcomers, or delivering care through our direct support programs for justice and homelessness prevention, the work we do is grounded by our core values: caring, honesty, respect, and responsibility. In this work, our employees and teams are supported by donors and volunteers who provide us with additional funding and hours of work that allow us to have greater impact together than we ever could have alone. We are still, as many organizations are, in the recovery phase of COVID, and we know the impacts of the pandemic will be felt for some time. But we continue to grow our programs to be more accessible. As one example, we're happy to report that we continue to provide safe, accessible, high-quality fitness, recreation, aquatics, and youth programs, despite dealing with staffing shortages. And we continue to provide subsidy for residents who are not able to afford the fees associated with membership at our Health, Fitness, and Aquatics Center. This is so that everyone can benefit from membership. In time, we hope to return to the level of support we were providing before the pandemic, which saw our YMCA offering over $140,000 per year in subsidy to over 600 members of all ages at our Health, Fitness, and Aquatics Center. Our staff teams have accomplished a great deal, but with the help of volunteers and donors like you, we know we can accomplish even more.
A safe space for children to learn and grow outside of the home is crucial to their health. That's why the YMCA has always prioritized children's programs.
So my name is Crystal Ernst. I work at the Family-Wide Childcare in Port Elgin. I've worked for the Y for 20 years. And the importance of my job is we're teaching our future, basically. So anything we teach them, we hope that they carry on throughout their life and become successful little humans. You know, we provide a service to the families that we cater to. Without it, many parents would not be able to go to work. We're impacting the community by providing the service that we provide.
My name is Emily Johnston, and my son is part of the YMCA before and after program. From the moment that my son walks in the door of the YMCA in the morning, he's greeted with such friendly staff and he's so excited to be there. This is his 4th year in the program, and I've noticed as the years have gone on, it's continued to help build his confidence, foster creativity, and he's made some really good friends in this program. It's a huge part of his life and a huge part of our life, and it's really hard to put into words how important this program has been for our son and how grateful we are to have him in this program. We wish every child who needed a spot could be given the same opportunity he has and will continue to have.
With a commitment to nurturing the potential for children, adults, and seniors, promoting healthy living and fostering social responsibility, our YMCA ensures that every individual has access to essentials needed to learn, grow, and thrive.
My name is Sharif Rahman, and I started coming here like more than 3 years now. Actually, one of my occupational therapists, I had some pain issues, so she recommended me to start some exercise. And she mentioned the name of this facility here, that they have a gym. And since then I have been coming here. I'm pretty much regular, maybe 3 to 5 times a week. It improved my health condition. It made me feeling better, and it accommodates my work schedule. I'm a self-employed, so I can come early in the morning or late in the afternoon or early in the evening. So it's quite accommodating with my life.
My name is Gwen Potter, and I'm a current member of the Board of Directors, as well as the past president. I've been on the board since September 2013 and have been a YMCA member for over 15 years. I have to admit, I started off as one of those members who saw the YMCA of Owen Sound Grey Bruce as only a fitness center. And it wasn't until I joined the board that I realized I had been underestimating all that the Y does and the enormous impact it has on both our communities and the residents who call Grey Bruce home. As a specific example, each year our employment services reaches over 1,700 job seekers, providing one-on-one and group pre-employment training to help individuals reach their career goals. Annually, the YMCA Employment Services provide over $775,000 to Grey County employers for training and placement incentives through the Canada-Ontario Job Grant. Our job board has over 2,400 views each week and helps to connect job seekers to local jobs and employers. In response to local employment needs, we also offer sector-specific training programs. Last year, in collaboration with the local long-term care employers and Georgian College, we trained over 100 support care workers, and we are currently training over 40 personal support workers. On top of the great work our employment services team does, our settlement services team is here to help newcomers make Grey Bruce their home. Settlement services continue to grow, providing various types of support to newcomers with urgent needs for applying for benefits, health cards, social insurance numbers, and employment opportunities. Through the pandemic and moving forward, translation and interpretation services have been in high demand for all aspects of our program delivery. Language classes are full, and we now have a waiting list for services, showing the significant need for our YMCA to continue to thrive and grow strong alongside our members, families, and clients.
As a well-established not-for-profit charity, the YMCA Owen Sound Grey Bruce depends on the benevolence of Owen Sound Grey Bruce residents to assist us in providing these wonderful services and programs. Whether through volunteering or as an individual or corporate donor, community support is integral to our success. If you'd like to learn more about the ways you can support your YMCA, please visit our website.